Welcome back to this Hebrew class session again. So in our previous lesson, we've been able to talk about the short vowels, and I've given you some explanation or instruction on how to undo or to form your vowels. So we are moving on to the long vowels. There are some Hebrew, another part of the Hebrew vowels are the ones that are pronounced, that have longer pronunciation. So we have the one that is long under it, and we have the one that is longer. But by the time we get into them, we are going to understand. So the first one is what we call kamet. Kamet is written as this. You know, when I was explaining the short vowel, when we got to the last one, this is kamet atuf. I told you that kamet atuf has two forms. By the time you get to long vowels, you are still going to come across it, like I said before. So the first one in the short vowel was pronounced as o, but in this sense, then we have it appear again, and it has the same symbol to represent it. So but in this sense, how do you pronounce kamet and how is it represented? So it sounds as in you prolong the pronunciation. So like we have it as, this is how it is represented. We have it as this sounds Now another form of kamet is this, because we have this one is long, and we have the longer part of it. This is the longer part. We have your kamets and hey, kamet and hey. Okay, let me make it simple. Let me use this dash to represent a. So we have kamet and hey. So by the time it appears, it takes this form. Now let's say example for us to understand better. So example using bets again. So we have bets and kamets. That is bar. So we also have it if it appears this way. So it's another form of it, which is very, very long. So now let's see transliteration. We transliterate this to be bar, and this one will be bar. Instead of writing your B-A-H, it will take this form. So that's the first one. The second one is what we call seré. So seré, the second one. So seré is simply represented. It also has two forms too. We have the first form which is the normal one, is this. So and it sounds hey. Okay, let me bring it here. This it sounds hey, as in this form, hey. Now and it's represented by this hey, sound hey. Why the second form of it is this? The second form of this is seré and yod. When seré and yod appears, so it takes this form hey, very long form. Takes this form hey. Now let's see this for instance. We have ba. And let's say you want to write bay now. Bay. This is bay. And you want to write the second form of it. In case if you find it in a word, you should be able to identify or distinguish them. So this has taken another form. Bay. As you can see it in the video. So this is a long, and I want to use very simple words for you to understand. Let's call this long and let's call this very long. like we have it in comet, long and very long and very long. Don't forget, when it is very long, it's always come with a yod. It's always come with a yod. It's always come with a yod. So the next one is what we call long erect. Long erect. Long erect. Long erect. So we have come across erect before in short vowels. We call it short erect. So this is how long erect is written. Now this is a dot at the let's assume this dot is under a consonant, and it will come with, it always goes with a yod. With a yod. Long erect. So it sounds e. So we have it as this. So now let's use a syllabic word to explain it. So we have bets, we have erect, and we have yod. So this is B. This is B. This is B. This is B. So another one is what we call surek. So shurek is simply okay, fine. So before you to write shurek, you have to bring your wow. This is wow. Shurek. This is wow. Then you dot it at the heart. So you're having a wow and it dots at its heart. Simply tells you that you are writing the vowel letter oo. Vowel letter oo. See, this is oo. This is oo. This is oo, and represented now in a letter in the word. Let's see. You want to write boo, and it is as this boo, as in boo. So that is who is talking about who, the long form of the other one. So that is shurek rather. So we move on to the next one called olen. Call it olen. So there are two forms by which you write olen too. There are two forms. I will give us the first one. The first one is the one that comes at the top, a dot that comes at the top of a consonant. A dot that comes at the top of the consonant. Please do not mix it up with the short erect. The short erect, that one comes at the middle, at the bottom, while the long and the whole leg here comes at the top. Fine, let's take it one by one. So we have this one to be represented as this, and it sounds ho. Now let's see, we have it. This is our bet, and you want to write bow, you put your dot at the top. So the second form of it is the one that comes with yod, that comes with wow. It comes with wow. So, and it is represented as this. That is very long one, and we have it in a word to be bow. You can see that is, this is bow, and this is bow. So these are the long vowels that we have in Hebrew alphabet. So again, we have kamet has two forms. The first one, the long and the longer one. The second one is sere, which is two dots. We sound a, as we have it in bay. We also have the second form of it, Sere with a yod. You can see Sere with a yod. Bay. We also have the third one, long erect. Long erect. Long erect is simply a dot and yod, so which is B. We also have surek. Surek, which is simply U, and it comes with wow. It comes with wow, so which is U, which is boo. And we have olem. Olem comes with a we have two forms of olem. We have the one that comes at the top, and we have the one that comes with a wow. So that is that about the vowel letters of the Hebrew. So miss you, see you next in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe to this YouTube channel.